Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cyber security and HIPAA compliance. So in the news this week, the U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation has sent an alert on Thursday warning U.S. computer companies about backdoor malware that is silently being installed on the networks of foreign companies operating in China via government-mandated tax software. The backdoors allow these actors to execute unauthorized code, infiltrate networks, and steal proprietary data from branches operating in China. Making these matters worse, the FBI says that all foreign companies are required by local Chinese laws to install this piece of software in order to handle the value-added tax payments to the Chinese tax authorities. FBI officials said the backdoor malware was spotted in the VAT software of two Chinese tech companies. Unfortunately, these are the only government authorized tax service providers allowed to operate this VAT software in China, suggesting that any foreign company operating in China was most likely affected by this issue. Cloud misconfigurations are considered a data security risk by 95% of IT decision makers in the UK. According to a new study from Trend Micro, the findings highlight how human error is a major cause of organizations' compliance problems and is obstructing their digital transformation. Of those who regard cloud misconfiguration as a risk, 41% is a great risk. For those working in business to consumers, this rose to 57% in administrative or tech roles, and 52%, nearly two-thirds of IT decision makers said they are extremely or very concerned about the legal and regulatory compliance implications of cloud threats like misconfiguration, and 27% stated that they had experienced such an incident over the past year. That's almost 1 in 3 companies have experienced this kind of an incident. The most common forms of misconfiguration errors include leaving an unencrypted data store exposed to the public internet without any form of authentication required to access it, exposing data to all global users of the same cloud platform, and leaving encryption keys and passwords in open repositories. This provides cyber criminals with opportunities to undertake nefarious activities such as stealing and ransoming data, installing malicious code, digital skimming code onto websites. See, the number one problem we have out there in the cybersecurity world is the human. The human is responsible for 87% of all breaches, so it's important that you train your employees and staff on proper security. We are finding more and more people are being hacked because of lax security within corporations. Stay safe out there and have a great day.